Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one, and at this point in time, I would say that the chart is broken. Now, of course, things that are broken can be repaired, so I'm not saying that the chart can never turn itself around or can't, show another big move upwards or anything like that. I'm just saying that as of now, I mean, this is just too big of a pullback. No price can go straight up, sure, but there does reach those points where it's, you got to kind of just acknowledge the fact of, okay, yeah, this pullback has become way too big of a pullback. And at this point, it's looking like the chart has reversed back down around. Again, that can always be changed around, and the price, can skyrocket back up and all of a sudden put the chart right back on the trajectory that it was on. But as of right now, with the continued pullback here, it's basically set the price almost right back to where it all began. I mean, if you look at the range that it was in today and then compare that backwards, I mean, that's basically where it was before the monster movement here. And that's just not a good sign when price movements do, things where they absolutely explode to then go right back to where they were. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, in that point of, and from that angle of things are looking very shaky. And I am going to just get rid of that line, because really the main level of resistance now to watch moving forward, if there is any sort of attempted recovery, is all about that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. And that's just a basic foundational rule in technical analysis, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into today, that level had done a good job of acting as support right there. But now that the price is down below there, again, according to that rule, you would now expect that 15-cent mark to behave as resistance. So if the price does, show any sort of upwards movements, then it's all about 15 cents. As far as levels of support are concerned, the absolute must-hold level now going forward is that pink line down there on my chart, which denotes the very famous 200-period moving average. Current value of that is right there at the 5-cent mark, so keep an eye on that. But overall, yeah, right now the chart's broken, but the first step into terms of repairing things would be getting back above 15 cents. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.